Good evening, I'm Lee Anderson. A homeless woman lost her life this month in a fire on China Hat Road. Dylan Anderman spoke with her sister, who blames a space heater.
I don't really think it has hit me yet. She's my identical twin.
Colleen Carroll mourns the loss of her sister, Courtney Carroll, who died in a fire on China Hat Road October 13th. Courtney had been living in what her sister describes as a box hut she had built.
And I want people to be aware of what a Mr. Heater can do.
Colleen says her sister suffered severe injuries after a space heater called a Mr. Heater Buddy exploded. Ben Fire and Rescue responded to the call 2 miles down China Hat Road.
The fire was quickly extinguished. It was a relatively small fire, and on investigation, we did find a number of potential causes within the debris, and the fire remains undetermined.
Because other combustible items were found at the scene, Ben Fire couldn't say the space heater was responsible, but Colleen has no doubt about the cause because the type of injuries her sister suffered indicated an explosion. She says Courtney had been living on China Hat because of a previous fire at her home.
Well, Grandma and Grandpa take care of her son. She left, she has an 11-year-old. She's been doing the best she can to get out of that situation, but she doesn't have any family there.
As temperatures drop, Ben Fire does have recommendations for how to safely use a space heater.
So we want people to have good clearance around those space heaters, not putting things like blankets or bedding around it particularly, not having it next to any sort of furniture, just keeping it a good 3 feet away from any of that material.
Courtney's sister says the space heater in question was given to her by someone who got it from a Ben nonprofit.